better to inherit property from a revocable or an irrevocable trust? It really doesn't matter. Both of them are going to avoid the probate process, and a revocable trust turns irrevocable when that individual passes away anyway. So they both become irrevocable, and they both avoid the probate process, and they both distribute assets to the beneficiary. So it doesn't really matter, but it's easier to set up a revocable trust for the individual setting it up because they can still maintain control over the assets inside the trust. They can still live in the property as a primary residence. They can still benefit from the assets inside the trust, etc., etc. It's much easier to set up a revocable trust and avoid the probate process and then distribute those assets to your beneficiaries. The revocable trust will avoid probate. That way you can cut out the roughly 1.5 to 2 year period of the probate process. You don't have to hire a probate attorney because you're not going through the probate courts, and then therefore all of the assets will be distributed down to the beneficiaries, however you have the distributions outlined in your trust document. If you want help setting this up and you use one of our trusts, your assets will avoid the probate process, or we'll do probate for free. Click the link in the bio, fill out the form, and schedule a time to talk to someone on our team.